Hello friend, today we start for the basic of trigonometry. First step of this one, first we make it about the trigonometry ratio. We make it the one right triangle, one angle 90 degree. We make it the one angle, we take it theta. Theta opposite, make it perpendicular. 90 and theta both base. Hypotenuse we write down H. Perpendicular we write down the P. Hypotenuse H and base B. Always check it when you are writing perpendicular, just opposite of theta, and hypotenuse just opposite of 90 degrees. Once again, theta opposite perpendicular, 90 degree opposite hypotenuse. Theta and 90 degree both is a base.
But
now we are using the basic of trigonometry. Then first about the sin theta. Sin theta, first trigonometry ratio is a perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Second, trigonometry ratio base upon hypotenuse. Third, tan theta perpendicular upon base. Sin theta opposite trigonometry ratio, that is the fourth. We say the cosec theta, just opposite we write hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Fifth, sec theta, hypotenuse upon base. Sixth, base upon perpendicular. Trigonometry basic we have, first we make it the right triangle, 90 opposite hypotenuse, theta opposite perpendicular, 90 theta both are the base. Theta opposite perpendicular, 90 opposite hypotenuse, theta and 90 both are there, we write on base. First we about the trigonometry ratio we have sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta opposite perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta base upon hypotenuse, tan theta base upon perpendicular upon base. Cosec theta hypotenuse upon perpendicular, sec theta just opposite we have hypotenuse upon base. Tan opposite cot theta base upon perpendicular. Now we write out the short form of this one. We make it the one table. First, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec cosec theta. First write out sin, cos, tan, then cosec, sec, cot. Cosec, sec, cot. We write down this way. PBP, HXB. Short form we have per beta per hard book. Per first letter is a P, beta B, per P, hard H, book B. Now we have the short form. First, per beta per hard book. Now P we have, base we have, Now P we have hard, H is a, second hard, H is a, last base is a. This is the sixth form we have. Then part, beta part, hard book. This is short trick of this one. Short trick for learning for the basic of trigonometry. Once again, we have the six ratios, trigonometry ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec, sec, cot, part, beta part, hard book. Part, beta part, hard book. This short trick we learning for the trigonometry ratio, part, beta part, hard book. Second, we have Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. Second is a Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. This is the basic of trigonometry we have. 8.1. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle AB, AB equal 24 cm, BC 7 centimeter. Find sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. We start for the solution for writing this one. We make it the two right triangle. First, we see the where is the 90 degree angle is there, B is there. Then we start from the B for 90 degree and C here. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal 24 cm, AB 24 cm right on, BC 7 cm. Starting I am telling two right triangle we make it there, then second right triangle we make it here, B 90 degree and A here and C. Now we see the AB 24 cm, BC 7 cm. Why you are making for the two right triangle? Because here we see the sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Whenever sin A, then A we writing the theta here, and whenever C, theta is there. We are making the two right triangle ABC and CBA. Always we see there where written for the at B. This is very important point. B you make it the 90 degree. Okay. Then start from yourself. Two right triangle A, B, C, B 90 degree, second B 90 degree, then A, C, this one. Again I explain to this one. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal 24 cm, BC 7 cm. Find sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Once again I explain again. You make it the two right triangle. First you see the B 90 degree, then A, AB, then C. Here B, A, B 90 degree, make it the, here we make it the C, here A. First, second, here B, here A, then here we make it the theta, here theta, AB 24, BC 7 cm, AB 24 cm, BC 7 cm. This is the way. When you start from the starting first and second, angle B always make it the 90 because in the question written the it B for right angle. Then here is the 90 degree there and 90 degree there. This is the first starting. Now we have check it there AC, AC unknown side is there. This is the you see check it there. Then you making for the 90 degree opposite hypotenuse is there. Here 90 opposite hypotenuse is there. When 90 and theta both have base, have theta opposite perpendicular, 90 opposite hypotenuse. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we find out the third side hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras theorem, we find the third side. We have the formula hypotenuse scale, perpendicular scale, base scale. Hypotenuse perpendicular 7 scale, base 24 scale. Scale this side value write on the root here 7, 49, 24 scale 5, 7, 6, then 49 and 5, 7, 6 when you write 625, 25 cm. Now we got it the third side, hypotenuse 25 cm, 25 cm. Now you find out the sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. We have the formulas. Now first we make it the table here once again. Already I explained in the one exercise. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, tan theta opposite, cos theta. You write sin opposite cosec, cos sec, tan cos. Pad, beta, pad, hard, book. Now figure 1 you write down and here figure 2. So then when you finding the sin A, you apply to the figure 1. Cos A, figure 1. Sin C, cos C, because C theta is A, then we write it for the second figure. Figure first, sin A, because theta here only, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos A, base upon hypotenuse. Now you put the value, perpendicular 7, hypotenuse you check it there 24, base है 24, hypotenuse 25. This is the answer now. First part first, part second now, figure second. Now sin C and cos C. Sin C, that base upon sin C. Second figure we apply to a sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Always keep in the mind, we use this table only. Cos C, base upon hypotenuse. Then you see the figure number second. Sin theta and sin C perpendicular upon hypotenuse, 24 upon 25, and cos C base upon hypotenuse. Second figure applied to there. This is now answer part second. Once again I explain in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal 24 cm, BC 7, find sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Using figure 1 and figure second. First you make it the figure 1, then figure second. 24, 7, and third side we find out hypotenuse using the Pythagoras theorem 25. Then 25 we put it here. This is very important. After we make it the table sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, pad beta pad, hard book. Part first, sin A perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos A base upon hypotenuse. Both formulas same only. Only according to figure you put the value. Perpendicular 7, hypotenuse 24, and perpendicular upon hypotenuse 24 upon 25. Value finding A, then using the figure 1, and sin C meaning figure second. If you by mistake make it a C here and A here, then second one using this one and first one this one. Easy formula. Sin C cos C perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos C base upon hypotenuse. 24 upon 25, 7 upon 25. Base upon hypotenuse. 7 upon 2. In figure find tan P minus cot R. One figure given है P Q और one right triangle. PQ 12 semi, PR 13 semi. Now first we see that once again we make the figure tan P cot R. Tan Q 90 degree and P we write down here and R. Because P first is there, then we write down the first P. One more figure we make it here Q 90 degree, R and P. Second figure we according to we make it the R and P here. Figure first, figure second. Now PQ 12, PQ 12 semi, PR 13 semi. Second figure PR 13 semi, PQ 12 semi. Figure first and figure second. According to questions, we make it there. Figure PQR, angle Q 90 degree. Both figure we make it the Q 90 degree. Then PR 30, PR 30, PR 30, PQ 12 semi. Now we see there two side given, third side not given. Third side not given. Then we make it the theta है QP base and RP hypotenuse and third side perpendicular. We find out the third side using Pythagoras theorem. Perpendicular root hypotenuse square minus base square. Now we take the hypotenuse 13 square, base 12 square. 13 square 169, 12 square 144. 169 minus 144 25. Root 25 5 centimeter. Now we write down here 13 centimeter and third side 13 centimeter. Now you see the question again. Find tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. We have a table. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Tan theta opposite cot theta, cos theta opposite sec theta, sin opposite cosec theta. Pad beta pad, hard book. Pad beta pad, hard book. Then tan theta perpendicular upon base, cos theta base upon perpendicular. Now tan P minus cot R. Tan perpendicular upon base, cot base upon perpendicular. Tan P figure 1 applied to है. Figure first and figure second. Perpendicular we see है 13 base 12. And figure second, base 13, perpendicular 12. 13 minus 12 minus 13 minus 12 equal to 0. Answer. Okay. Once again you see there, tan p minus quota, tan p minus quota, tan p we apply to the formula base upon perpendicular upon base, quota base upon perpendicular. Tan p using the first figure, perpendicular we have 13, you put the value, base 12 according to figure number 1. Base है 13 semi and perpendicular 12. 13 upon 12 minus 13 upon 12. When same digit we subtract, then 0 is there. This is the answer. Okay, this is the NCERT exercise 8.1 question number 2 answer.